What is up, guys? Trained by A-Man here, and in this video we're gonna go over a recap of what happened in my trading journey last week. Before we get started, I just wanted to say that please make sure you subscribe because we are so close to 50 subscribers. We're over halfway there, and that is a big milestone at the beginning of my YouTube journey, and I hope that I can just keep providing you with some valuable content that can help you in your trading career. Okay, so this week was a roller coaster because there was a mixture of things. I ended up blowing my account, which is unfortunate, but I reflected, I know what I did wrong, and I am on another account now, and that account I'm up 1%, and I know I could do so much better, but I have an even stricter plan now with consequences if I do break my rules, and let's see what happened. So this is the results. As you can see, I failed the challenge, and it was just simply because I overtraded on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions, which is not okay. So what I've done to fix that is, my plan now is I'm gonna have 3 trading days. I'm only trading 3 days, and if I have 2 losses, I'm just gonna call it for the week. Because I can't afford to be making the simple errors that are hindering me on being profitable. So for the trade that got my account blown was right here, because I took this on UJ and on CAD, the same type of setup. What I did was I got in way too early, because instead of waiting for the break, retest, and continuation, I only got in at the break of the support level. So it retested and then it went all the way up. It retested this area and continued going, and then it broke this support, retested here at this area, and kept going up. The thing is, I was able to catch myself early, but the problem with it is I was already about to blow my account, so any more size that I put on, I would have blown my account, and that's exactly what happened. I was being dumb, and I took a 1 lot after taking a 0.7 because I saw this trade having potential, which it went all the way to my take profit. But the problem is, I already went below the 500 limit, and I didn't get to see this trade play out on this account, which kind of sucks because I would have still been in this trade, and this account wouldn't have been blown, but it was my fault for adding too much. And another thing I'm going to try and focus on doing is make sure I wait for the price to get to the support area before I take buys, because as you can see here, I'm taking buys way too early, or I'm not waiting for it to get to a proper area for me to take the buy. And as you can see, this is a consequence of that. I missed out on a good trade because I got in too early. And you can see the same here on UJ. Here it broke, and then it just started wicking. That should have been my sign for me to get out, but I didn't take it. But it's okay, because I'm going to be a lot more stricter now with the trades that I'm taking, and not just taking trades like this that have no potential at all. So I started a new account, and a new prop from challenge. And this is how it's going right now. We're up 1%. I only took 3 trades. It only shows more because I scaled in on this trade. And for the first trade, I saw a second opportunity which was too good to miss, so I took it on CAD. But besides that, I didn't take any extra trades. So let's see how I finished this week off. After that, it took such a big toll on my confidence, but it's okay because I got my head up and I just kept going. And so for the first trade I took, it was on CAD. As you can see here, again, I didn't wait for the price to get to an area of support or resistance, and I kind of took it in the middle, which was a mistake because it could have gone all the way back down to this support area, which it did. But luckily enough for me, I was able to catch it in the morning where it broke the support level, retested, and then it flew all the way up. And I made sure to take profit after I saw these wicks. When it handed me the wick again here, I just took profit because I wasn't fully sure if it was gonna continue or not. And even though it did come down, if I held, I still would have been able to go all the way to the TP. But it's fine because I still was able to get that profit. So that was my first trade for the week, which is good. My second trade of the week was on UJ, which I took right here. I took this trade right here. So again, it was simple, just break and retest. I could have gotten a better entry, which I keep seeing myself struggling on because I think I'm getting FOMO too much. And when I scaled in, I did get it at a better entry after I waited for price to bounce off this support level and continue up. And it was good. This trade was good overall because my stop loss was in a good area. I waited for the retest on my second entry. First entry could have been better, but second entry I waited for the retest and then price went all the way to my take profit. And I did end up taking profit early again, like at the 0 extension, but price kept going to my overall TP, which I'm gonna stop. I know I keep saying it, but this time we'll see next week if I do or not. But yeah, anyone can say anything, but we have to see next week. But yes, I'm gonna try to prioritize that. Let the trade run all the way and don't get scared, because that is kind of funny how when our trades are almost about to stop us out, we just try to have as much courage as possible and try to stay in the trade and hope that it reverses up. But when we're in profit, and when I'm in profit, I got scared and didn't want to lose on any of that profit. So I'm going to try and switch that thinking, because if I kept that thinking with when I'm in profit, then I'll be able to just like say, I know it's going to get there, and I'm just going to wait for it to get there. And if it doesn't get there, it's fine because I took a partial position. So yeah, I'm going to start taking partials here, maybe just move stop loss to break even, and then let whatever happens. So that was the trade for UJ, which was right over here. It was right here, with the scaling being the second trade. And yes, I am risking 2% per trade because I'm having less trading days. Because I was watching a video and it really helped me like put it out into perspective, the beauty of taking 2%, risking 2%. Because if you're confident in your strategy, you shouldn't have a problem with risking more, because not only is your reward going to be more, you would have already back tested that strategy and you know the win rate of that strategy. So that's my mindset when I just changed my strategy, because I figured out what my strategy was before wasn't working. So yes, as I said before, I'm gonna make sure I have 3 trading days only, and if 2 of those days, like if the first 2 days are losses, then I'm done for the week. So yes, those were all the trades I took for the week, because I counted this as one trade and then this as another trade. So I only took that trade here on UJ. I just took this trade and then I was like, I'll be done for the week so I can stick strictly to my trading plan. So I just wanted to practice my entry work later on in the week. So I didn't get in any positions, as you can see based on the graph, but now I'm seeing the beauty of waiting for the break and the retest, and then on the continuation, that's where you could get in. Because as you can see here, let me make it more clear, but marked by the Fibonacci as well, we saw price break this support area, retest the support area, and keep going. And it went all the way down below the 27. But if I took this trade, it would have went all the way to 27 and I would have had good profit. But it's okay, because now that I see that it works, and I've been seeing that it works, but now that I'm getting more familiar with my entries, I'm looking forward to next week being a great week also. And also I did it on UJ as well, right here. As you can see, the Fibonacci A, B, C, where we were traced, and then D went all the way down. I didn't get in this position either because I wanted to stay disciplined to my trading plan. But I know it might sound like, wait, he's definitely faking it. But if you go on the second to last short that I just posted, I think it's the what are you trading for? This was the exact trade that was in the background, where you can see this red candle wasn't here. And I was just practicing my entry work. And yes, this was, I guess you could say, kind of luck at the same time, because I think it was the news that ended up pushing it down. But it also shows that, look, it does work, break and retest. We broke here, we retested here barely, but here we actually touched into this area, and then we just continued all the way down to this support area right here. So that was all the trades I took this week, and let me know what videos you want to see from me in the future, and let's hit that goal of 50 subscribers. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below how you're going in your trading journey. And that's me done for the day. And as always, slow motion is better than no motion. Take care.